30 fantastic years. And we are humbled, blessed, and fortunate to still be here. Guys, Staters is still here. Was it a stroke of luck? Maybe a little, but it was mainly due to hard work, perseverance, and the trust that you have given us all throughout these years. To our employees, our customers, our friends and families, our franchisees, our suppliers, our mall partners, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you from the bottom of our hearts for supporting us all throughout these years. Now today is all about you, on how we can share that fantastic spirit together. We celebrate by hosting the first ever sports knockathon event in the Philippines in the spirit of fun and camaraderie. Now to help kick off the event, I'd like to ask for a favor. I'd like to ask for your help in saying with me the magical words of Game On. Bakit? Because this serves as our battle cry that when moments get tough, difficult or challenging, we face them head on and live up to the challenge. So okay na ba yun? And I ask for your support. Sige, let's all chant Game On loudly and proudly as one big family. In the count of 3, 1, 2, 3, Game